on to drawing the details of our icon. Remember that the rhythm is also built up by the internal structure of the garment. These lines follow the movement of the front leg, adding to the sense of forward motion even though his leg is vertical. Bringing the cloth around on the other side creates a rhythmic X. Here we will rhythmically create folds for the garment's hem. And there we have our icon of the Annunciation. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Until next time, keep drawing.